Now, about a month ago, I made a video of me buying a $48 GTX 1050 Ti off of Wish, and well, however, there was a little bit of a theme in the comment section of that video where people were saying, David, you're a big bully. Blanketly stating that Wish is a scam makes you a bad person. They're just a marketplace. The person that sold you that GTX 1050 Ti, he's the scammer. Now, okay, this response raises a couple of questions in my mind. The first one, why are you defending a massive multinational company? It's not like I hurt their feelings with that video. Like, honestly, they don't care. And the second thing is they're a marketplace facilitating scammers. So it's still technically their responsibility. But that's not the point, right? That's not the point of this video. I'm not here to defend the premise of the previous video. Those comments gave me a bit of an idea. I'm going to buy something on the website which I genuinely wanted and I thought may not be a scam just because it's kind of reasonably priced for what it is. And that's exactly what I did. So here we have it. This is the package from Wish, wrapped in a very standard Wish fashion. Let's open it up. I have quite high hopes for this one actually because it's not particularly high tech, so it's quite difficult to screw up, if I'm honest. We hope, yeah. But it's actually, there's some padding in here, which is better than a lot of other stuff. Major Hardware did a video recently where he liquid cooled a PC with Wish hardware. With Wish components, and they all just like put it in a plastic bag and like sent a radiator overseas, which is quite ridiculous. And there's another layer of protection. Whoa! This seller really splurged on the packaging here, and again, that's kind of why I'm hoping it'll be okay. Oh wow, this is exciting. I can't wait for this guy. If I can.
You're so good at opening things.
I know, I'm the best unboxer ever. Over here, we have a console. Okay, so it's got 620 classic games built in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm actually gonna open up the console to see what kind of hardware they use for it. And then I'm gonna challenge Anna to some games on it. So over here on the back, we have some quick instructions on how to actually operate the device. So this thing actually only cost $19. And if it does work, if it does have the 620 definitely pirated classic games on it, then it should offer quite good bang for your buck when it comes to actual fun times. So let me open this guy up. It does kind of feel like there's not much in here, but oh, look at that! Look at that! The build quality on this is, now I don't know how to say, how do you say it's in a nice way? The build quality is humble. Let's say humble. Now before we get any further into this video, just kind of look at this little console. What does this look like to you? It's just a little NES, right? How have the creators of this little console not been sued into oblivion? I don't understand it. Like look at the name as well, right? So it's different on the actual console, but on the box, it's called the Entertainment System. So they literally just took the Nintendo off of the end of Nintendo Entertainment System, and they're selling this to people. I really don't understand it. Like, aesthetically, the only difference between this and the original console, aside from the fact that it's tiny, is that it's been mirrored, right? So this stripe is on the other side, on the original NES. And it's also got 620 what I can only imagine to be pirated NES games on it. Although we don't know, they don't specify what these games are, right? So it could just be like 620 terrible ROM hacks of Mario on here. Like it's not like necessarily original NES games, but still, it's quite interesting. So it's got what looks like USB ports for the controller, so let's hook. It actually does come with 2 of these controllers, which is quite cool. And they are USB, so I'm interested to see whether or not you can use them with your PC. But so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew it, we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna see what kind of hardware this beast is packing. Oh, that doesn't fit in there. I have to get a different screwdriver. Oh wow, that's amazing. So as you can see, it doesn't. Oh, there's another screw that fell out. As you can see, it doesn't take much hardware to run these games. It's very, very basic. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna reassemble it. Oh, that's already the wrong way around. Gonna reassemble it, and then we're gonna set it up, see if it actually works, and then play some games with Anna. And then we're gonna challenge her to some video games. Now welcome to the second day of this video. We actually ran into a bit of a weird problem in the filming of this video because our TV only has HDMI ports and this console has like this weird AV out port that goes to two RCAs. And for some reason, it's pretty much impossible finding RCA in, HDMI out. What I eventually ended up tracking down is this thing, which funnily enough, actually cost about twice as much as the console itself. So if you do want to buy one of these, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing, especially not yet, I mean I haven't even turned it on yet, but that's something that you have to bear in mind. And another inconvenience with this thing is because it has like an analog to digital converter in it, it actually needs external power as well. So you end up having to use many power plugs just to get the thing to attach to your TV. We have it plugged into HDMI 1. So let's go there. I'm really curious to see what this looks like. No signal, that looks nice and retro. Power. Oh wow, that's so exciting. Okay, so you have the standard affair of like Super Mario, Mario 3 and Mario 6. Okay, here we go. This is some super retro action. So let's... One player. I just want to see if it works first, and then I'll challenge you to some play. Oh, what? Oh.
I'm gonna suck so badly.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
A lot of these aren't like instantly recognizable classics, but a lot of them are. Angry Bird.
Oh, what?
Definitely have to... No way!
No way.
It's got Angry Birds on it, like...
What?
The very well-known traditional NES game. It's like the worst version of Angry Birds ever.
Yeah, who knew that was possible?
Yeah, like who knew Angry Birds could get
pop
worse?
One at a time.
Yeah, this is so dumb.
So lame.
Oh yeah, that's lame. Give up on that immediately. Okay, no, it's like Football Manager essentially on a NES in Japanese. That's a very useful. That's very useful. Bowling. King Knight, Mickey Mouse, Ghostbusters, Paperboy.
Yeah, you're only...
Okay, so we're gonna do the brutal Contra with both me and Anna. So I'm gonna go down, press. Okay, there we go. So we both have...
Oh, what? Which one's me?
Oh no, this is just a cinematic. This isn't, I think. Oh, Anna's died.
That was...
So you only have one life left. So just be careful. This guy's gonna...
I'm alive?
Yeah. Oh wow, this brings back... Oh yeah, and it's
I'm dead.
It's game over for you.
Can I kill you?
No. You see.
Okay.
Oh, so I've died. It's game over.
Oh, what?
It's up to you. Oh, you have to lie down
Yeah,
under the gunfire.
But like, I realized it was late. You are being dangerous. You. So much for trying to get to level 1.
Well, I mean, we still have a life left.
Oh,
each.
did I also die? When did that happen? No,
They should actually use this game, this Wish console as like marriage counseling, because you know it like forces you to sit down with your partner and then hate them for dying.
Oh,
the
you
whole
can't
time.
shoot down, right?
No, you can't. And with that, is this little Wish console thing worth it for 20 bucks? Yeah, I mean, it's a decent experience. It's quite fun. You do have to bear in mind that you're probably gonna have to get another box to be able to plug it into your TV, but it does work Most of the games seem like they're crap, but there are a couple of good ones on there. I don't really know what to say about it, to be honest. With that, it brings me to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where sometimes stuff happens. And yeah, until the next video, bye-bye.